I think it is a misguided approach that could have several negative repercussions. Firstly, these tariffs will likely lead higher costs for American consumers and businesses. Lithium batteries and electrical vehicles are critical components in the transition to clean energy, and increased costs could slow down the adoption of these technologies, hampering efforts to combat climate change. Secondly, the medical services sector is crucial for public health. Increasing tariffs on these products could lead to higher healthcare costs and limited access to essential medical equipment, affecting patients' care and overall health outcomes. Moreover, these tariffs could escalate trade tension between the United States and China, even leading to potential trade war that would disrupt global supply chains and economic stability. The adverse effects on consumers, the environment, and international relations suggest that this policy could ultimately do more harm than good.